Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Microsoft Authenticator to a new phone. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, important notes here, you cannot directly transfer from Android to iOS or vice versa by using the cloud backup method. You'll have to keep your old phone active until you confirm all accounts are working on the new device. Okay, so first up, for example, this one is the old phone and I'm going to transfer it right here on this phone. Okay, I'm going to open up Authenticator. And while I log in, you won't be able to see my screen right here because there are some limitations for screen mirroring, but I'm just going to show you. Let's go ahead and enable cloud backup. Right here at the top right, you should be able to see 3 dots. Okay, you're going to want to tap on it and then go ahead and find settings. Okay, tap on settings. Now in this section, you will have backup. So what you're going to do is just enable cloud backup. Okay, enable cloud backup. Wait for it to load, and then once it loads, you'll be able to see your email. Now to recover your credentials or codes, well, use this email, okay? So this email right here is going to be used to log in right here in the new phone. So just tap on OK, and then once done, open up the new phone's Microsoft Authenticator, and then hit on accept, continue. You could either sign in with your Microsoft account or scan a QR code. Or you can go ahead and restore from backup, which we have done earlier. Okay, so go ahead and restore from backup right here. Wait for it to load, and what you're going to do next is just sign in with your Microsoft account or the email that was shown in this older phone. Okay, sign in, hit on next, follow simple prompts, and once done, the accounts will be restored. All right, and that's basically it. Now, if you want to, you could go ahead and try the QR code option. Okay. Just tap on add account, personal account, and some other options, okay? And that is how you transfer your Microsoft Authenticator to a new phone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.